going to be doing some B-girl footwork for you today. So first of all, we're going to start off with some salsa step, and it goes kick, step, step, kick, step, step. So you always step on the same foot that you've kicked with, and you kind of push your hip out a little bit. We'll go a little bit faster. Kick, step, step, kick, step, step. You can do whatever you want with your arms. Make it slow, almost like a little log-on style thing. You can also make it so this with the same step, you can have it going back. So in a minute, we're gonna start with the right foot, then going back. Kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Hop it a little bit. So when you kick forwards, you hop on that other foot. You can make it so it comes a little bit further behind, so you twist it a little bit. So you're going back, but then you twist back a little bit. Same step, same salsa step, but loads of variations. We can double it up, so you go back, 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 back. Hope you guys have got that. So we'll come back to the beginning. This time we're going to make it more, we're going to emphasize the footwork. So we're going to jump it, kick, jump, step, kick, step, jump, step. So you're jumping back into it like boom, boom, kick, step, boom, boom, kick, step, boom, boom. An accentuated version of the salsa step. That's the word that I needed, accentuate. And you can make it come out to the side like this, so you're doing it straight on, or you can turn it. Maybe swinging the arms, keep it cool. And then we're going to go back again. But this time when we go back, we're going to make a little twist. Kick, step, twist, and kick, step, twist, and kick, step. So you turn and twist into the back foot. Put some little arms. Even flick the heel out. Double, triple, double. Twist those hips. I hope you've got this one. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. Let's keep it chill. So adding on to this kind of salsa style that we've got here, like I said, you can do various different ways. Double it, triple it, keep going that way, keep going that way. There's another step, which is like a salsa step. It's a really nice step. So we'll go around in a circle. You're gonna start open, cross in front, open out, cross behind, open out, cross in front, open out, cross behind, open out, cross in front. So if you do it fast, it's really twisty with the hips. So you're gonna start open, cross in front, out, behind, out, front, out, behind, out. So that is really nice with the salsa style. And you can do it back, forward. It's got real nice feminine hips. Another step I'm going to show you is called the cross step. It's quite hard. You might know one side, but when we link them up, it gets a little bit harder. And then I'll show you loads of different variations again. So, cross step, you're going. Kick with the right, step on the right, step over with the left. It's hard to do it slow. And then back on the right, tap. Swap, so kick with the right, left, over with the left, back on the right, swap, right, tap, 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 swap. So always kicking right, left, over, left, right. So faster, let's go. And really turn the hips so the body doesn't face this way. When you're stepping over like that, your body comes this way. So you've got that twist again. So a few more times on the right side, and then we'll go on the left side, and then we'll link them up together, okay? So you've got right, kick, left, over, and kick, left, over, and tap. You can go down to the floor, bend your knees. That's harder. In time. It's the same footwork, but going onto the floor. Okay, other side. So left foot, kick, left, right, over, and kick left, kick right, over, and left, right, over, and faster. Tap, tap, boom, boom, tap, tap. To the floor. The floor's really hard. I'm going to go back to something as well that I missed out on the salsa step, where we can do this but on the floor. So we'll just carry on this side. To the left, left, right, over, and left, right, over, and then if you're going down to the floor, ta, 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 ta. It's hard to come back up. Now, when you link them both together, you get a bit tricky. It's like an and step. So I'll break it down for you first. You've got, we're going to go to the right, kick, right, left, over, and then you kick this one. So as you come back, kick, step, over, and kick, step, over, and kick, step, over, and kick. So that's the confusing bit. As you come back over, you've got to re-kick that leg that's already moving. Shall we try it fast? It's hectic, yeah? But I reckon just keep on drilling it slow each side, and then do it slow with the little extra tap, 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 tap. Fast. This way first. Ready? 5, 6, 7, up. And just kick from the knee. So don't have too big a kick, otherwise it's harder. Keep on the balls of your feet. You can even keep low to the ground, and it's easier to go faster. Obviously, the smaller your footwork, the easier it is to go faster. Okay, some variations of this. So what you can do, we can do like a little spin. So we can go, it looks like this, kick, kick, boom, and you spin into it. Kick, kick, boom, you spin round. So that's just like a nice little variation of this cross step. So you've got kick, kick, and instead of coming back, you jumped into like a cross, and then coming round. Okay, we're going to do the other side. Kick, kick, cross, round the other side. Okay, couple more. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I've got a few more things to show you, but I'm going to have to pause and just say hi to my son. Hey dude, he wants to be in the video. So can I show you shuffle? Shall we show them the shuffle step? That's it. So how do we shuffle, Cass? Put one foot down, jump back on it. Other foot down, jump back, back, back. And you can do this all the mats. Oh, is he going to do the shuffle step?
Yes.
All right, Cass, we're going to do one more step now. We're going to do the cross step. You know this one, Cass?
Is it the one that you...
Yeah, so come back so that it can see you. So we're going to crisscross. Oh, classic. And you can go to different sides. Lean to different sides.
Sometimes I lose it. And I go up like that.
Yeah, you can easily lose it. Or you can jump into the cross, which is what we were doing. Yay! You're going to go and play outside and see that Charlie and Ella are out there, and I'll carry on with this video. Cool. Say bye.
Bye.
See if they're out there. So another cross step that we've got. Really, really, really nice. But it's really, really hard. So I'm just going to go over it with you. So you're going to go toe, heel, jump across. Toe, so you twist, heel, jump across. Toe, heel, jump across. So again, so it's always toe, you turn that way, heel, you turn that way, then you turn that way again to jump across. Toe, heel, jump. Toe, heel, jump. Toe, heel, jump. Toe, heel, jump. Twist, twist, jump. Twist, twist, jump. Twist, 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 jump. Twist, twist, jump. Twist, twist, jump. Twist, twist, jump. Again, it's like girly. It looks nice. So we've got some more to show you. There's like loads. Going back to what we did earlier, when we did in front, out, behind, out, you can do that by going down to the floor. It looks really nice. Let me show you. So the salsa-y twisty step, step in front, out, behind, out, in front, out, behind, out, in front, out, behind, out. We're going to do it by going down to the floor. It's a really nice way to change levels. And you can do a lovely kind of variation of a step into it, which I'll show you now. So another step that we've got is a paddle ray. You might already know this. So you're gonna, and we'll link them together. You're gonna go step behind, step out, step down. Left behind, right out, left down. Behind, side, step. Behind, lean forward, bend your knees. Behind, side, step. Behind, side, step. Behind, side, step. Behind, side, step. Make it more cool. Put a bit of a body roll into it. You can make it faster. Ta 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 ta. Or you can make it continuous. Ta 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 ta. Those are the different ways you can make it. So you can give it various different speeds. Another variation where we're going down onto the floor is behind, side, step, and as you step, you lift up that leg. So step behind with your right, side, left. Then as you step back in the middle, you lean on that foot and bring that foot behind. And as you bring that foot behind, behind, side, step, behind, side, step, behind, side, step, You're circling round and down. You can come down. There we go. That's it. I'm coming in a minute, cats. Just play Minecraft for a minute while I do this video. Okay, so those are some steps. What we'll do next video is we'll make a routine out of all of those steps and some floor stuff, and I'll show you some freezes as well. Let me know what you think. Okay, thanks guys. Happy isolation. Bye.